A testimonial after dubbing Jungbub Lecture 8742. My name is Claudia and I live in Italy and was the main voice in the summary of Lecture 8742 dubbing, which was translated into Italian on YouTube Happy Soul 365 channel. I too was in the same position as the questioner a while ago. As I was going through the dark days, I suddenly received a phone call from a close friend. They informed me of the teachings on the law of grand nature from a spiritual leader in Korea, Master Chung-gong. He said that if we know the laws of nature properly, practice them in our daily lives, and live rightly, we can live without encountering difficulties. I recently had the opportunity to attend Master Chung-gong's conference held in Milan, Italy in September 2019. Today I was dubbing a lecture from a lung cancer patient, and suddenly all the events of the time when I was diagnosed with terminal cancer came flooding in. At that time the cancer cells had spread to many organs, so I was running around like crazy looking for good medicines and treatments. After receiving Jungbub from a friend, I searched for and listened to all the lectures translated into Italian that were posted on YouTube, and applied the laws of nature in my daily life, and tried with all my might. I even listened to Master's lectures in Korean, even though I couldn't understand Korean. As I went through each day like that, I noticed that my life, which I had been struggling with, at a certain point was changing little by little. I started to open my eyes of consciousness about what life truly is. During a 1-year period, I realized that all the pain, struggles, and hardships I endured were to show me my wrong thoughts, words, actions, and stubbornness. If any of you are in the same situation as me, I have something I'd like to say to you. Hold on to your soul tightly and empower your soul. I thought I had lived well, being nice to people, but I didn't know the reason why I had to go through such agonizing pain. However, as I listened to the lectures and worked hard to improve, I gradually accepted the fact that I had made my life difficult with my own hands. After realizing this, the pain became a beautiful gift. Amazingly, nature has always been protecting me with love and giving me all the strength I needed. My health has improved a lot now. I study Jungbub happily every day, and I do not neglect to make an effort to live a righteous life. My soul is now filled with greater joy and gratitude. Thank you so much for your precious teachings. I wish all of us a happy soul. The teachings of Master Chung-gong can be found in languages other than Italian on the YouTube channel Europe Jungbub, Happy Soul 365, Jungbub Talk, and Jungbub 2013.